Hello dear student, today I will explain bubble sort. See bubble sort in array. So bubble sort also is another technique for sorting any number, string, okay, in Java language. So with the help of bubble sort we can do ascending order for the number, and for string also alphabetical order A to Z we can do. But bubble sort is very slow process of sorting. Okay, today बबल सेट के बारे में आज हम बताएंगे. बबल सेट क्या है? बबल सेट में हम लोग सॉर्टिंग कर सकते हैं. कोई भी अगर नंबर हो तो उसको असेंडिंग ऑर्डर और डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में कर सकते हैं. कोई अगर स्ट्रिंग वैल्यू है तो उसको हम लोग अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में कर सकते हैं. ओके, बट जो बबल सेट जो है, बबल सेट वेरी स्लो प्रोसेस है. Then selection sort. One video already I had uploaded regarding selection sort. That process was very fast process. But now this is a very slow process. Now I will explain with the help of one example and then you can understand the programs. Clear? So first you think I input 10 numbers by using scanner class, and then I make it ascending order by using bubble sort technique. So what is the process? First I am writing the program. Import java dot, okay, so bubble sort in Java language class, suppose B short I am taking as a class name. Just I will explain also. We need to take, I said that input 10 numbers in SDA. So I am taking the variable as an integer number, new int 10. Okay, 10 numbers हम input करते हैं in array in SDA. Then one more variable you need to take, that is as a third variable, so integer no equal to 0. This is for swapping. Now you need to create a scanner class. You remember that this is our choiceable name. Any name you can give. So first input part. See input part system.out.println. Just you think system.out.println, it is enter. Okay, I am writing the statements. It will better. Yes, was system println, enter 10 numbers. Then you have to give loop. Equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus. Then the variable no. This is your input part completed. Sc dot. Why next int? Because your data type is array variable. I am taking as a integer. Okay. Now sorting part. See in the sorting part, this is one loop, 0 I less than 10, I plus plus. Then this is int j equal to 0 and j less than 9, j plus plus. You have to remember that if here it is 10, अगर 10 है इसलिए हम यहाँ 9 किए हैं. अगर वो 100 है तो ये है 99, अगर 20 है तो 19, एक कम है, किस लिए? That's now if I want to make it in ascending order, sorting part in ascending order, in ascending order. Suppose if number of j plus 1 less than number of j. Why I am taking here 9? Because I am taking here j plus 1. That's why. If you give here 10, then array out of bounds error will come. In this case, when the statement is true, now computer will swapping the value. Value will exchange number of j equal to number of j plus 1, number of j plus 1 equal to n. Your sorting part completed. This basis for conditions. On the basis of this condition, there are 3 statements. That's why you have to give the block. This is for this nested loop. This is for the main loop. Now display part. Display. Okay. Display part. System dot out println numbers in ascending order. Numbers in ascending order. Ascending order. Okay, now one more loop you have to give for display part. I equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus. Okay, now system dot println number of I. Okay, now close it. Okay, so this is now your program of bubble sort technique. Now how it works, I will show you the working, then my explanations will be over. Okay, ये जो है पूरा बबल सॉर्ट का हम एक प्रोग्राम लिख दिए है. पूरा बबल सॉर्ट में क्या है ये प्रोग्राम, अगर हम 10 वैल्यू इनपुट करते हैं तो 10 नंबर को हम असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में कर देंगे बाय यूजिंग बबल सॉर्ट. If you take 2 values, so you need to take here 2 array variable and then 2 memory variable also you need to take. If you take 3 array variable, then 3 memory variable you need to take extra, like n. Okay, just you think name, address, phone, then name for name n, address for a, and phone for p, like that way 3 variable. Now working. Just to think, I am taking, suppose this is the value. Suppose here I am writing 8, here suppose 3, here suppose 4, here suppose 7, suppose 8, 1, here suppose 2. Okay, अब this much suppose. So now 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. इन सिलेक्शन शॉर्ट व्हाट विल हैपन, इन सिलेक्शन शॉर्ट में हम बताए थे कि जो सबसे जो छोटा वैल्यू है वो उसका जो इंडेक्स नंबर है दैट कंप्यूटर विल फाइंड आउट. बट इन दिस केस नॉट लाइक दैट. इन दिस केस द वैल्यू विल बी स्वैपिंग ईच अदर. ओके, विद द 2 वैल्यूज कंप्यूटर विल कंपेयर बिटवीन 2 वैल्यूज 8 and 3 who will smaller. If you are making in ascending order, then 3 will come, 8 will be here, like that way. See, that's why I am writing here. Now I equal to 0. Now j start from 0. Now j when 0, then here the value will come number of j plus 1. 0 plus 1 means 1. That case 1. Less than number of j. J means 0. So which value is here? In number of 1 position, which value? 3. 3 less than 8. It is true. 3 less than 8. It is true. When it is true, now see the swapping will start. The exchanging the value. Value जो है वो exchange करेगा their positions. देखो n equal to नाउ n इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ j. नंबर ऑफ j का मतलब क्या है? 0. जीरो में नंबर ऑफ जीरो पोजीशन में कौन सी वैल्यू है? 8. सो 8 को हम लोग उठा लिए n में. नाउ नंबर ऑफ j, नंबर ऑफ जीरो लोकेशंस में, number of zero locations, which value you are placing? Number of j plus 1. Number of j plus 1 means 1. In one locations, in which value is that? 3. So now 3 will pass in 0 locations. Now 3 will come here. And 8 already we are taking in third variable n. n में हम लोग पहले से ही उठा लिए. अब नंबर ऑफ यहाँ पर j प्लस 1, नंबर ऑफ j प्लस 1 मीन्स 0 प्लस 1 1. 1 में which वैल्यू? नंबर ऑफ j प्लस 1 इक्वल टू n. n का मतलब क्या है? 8. नाउ सी 8 then will be place it here. Okay. Now next value for j equal to now 1. j will increase. Now j 1, then that time what will happen? Number of j plus 1. Number of j plus 1 means 2. Less than number of j means 1. 2 locations which value? 4. 1, 8. 4 less than 8. True. Again computer will show up. n equal to number of j. Number of j means 1. 1 means which value? 8. Now number of 1. Number of 1. Number of j plus 1. So number of j plus 1 means 2. 2 locations में कौन सी वैल्यू है? 4 है. So 4. नंबर ऑफ 1 पोजीशंस में 4 आ गया. यहाँ नाउ नंबर ऑफ 2. नंबर ऑफ 2 में n. n मतलब 8. नो यहाँ पर 8 प्लेस हो गया. ओके. दिस so this way it will run. Now j equal to 2. Okay, j equal to 2. So number of j here, j plus n here, see j plus 1, 2 plus 1 3. Number of 3 less than number of 2. So number of 3 में कौन सी वैल्यू है? 7 है. 7 less than 8. Again it is true. Then n equal to, I think you understand, n equal to number of j. Number of j में मतलब 2. Number of 2. 2 में कौन सी वैल्यू है? 2 में है 8. 8 को उठा लिए. Now number of j plus number of j. j मतलब 2. 2 में कौन सी वैल्यू भेज रहा हूँ? Number of j plus 1. 2 plus 1 that is 3. 3 में कौन सी वैल्यू है? 7 है. So 7 now. So 2 locations में 7 आ गया. Okay. Now number of 3. Number of 3 equal to n. n मतलब 8. 3 में 8 चला गया. मान लो a 11 है. Okay. Suppose I am thinking it is 11. Okay. Next value for j. Ascending order. Okay. Now j equal to 3. Now number of, when j equal to 3, what will happen? Number of j plus 1. 3 plus 1. It is 4. Less than number of 3. So number of 4. Number of 4 में कौन सी वैल्यू है? 11. 11 less than number of 3, 8. It is true or false? 11 less than 8. It is false. So false means now computer no need to swap. Here computer will not exchange the value of 4th locations 1, 3 location 3. Okay. When it will be true, then here true. That's why see j0, then that part. j1, then that part. j2, then that part. Okay. j4, j3, then this is. Clear? So this is your program of bubble sort method. Okay, bubble sort you can do in ascending order. If you want to do descending order, you no need to change anywhere in the program. Just you give here greater than signs. Here we are giving greater than sign. Okay, if your that variable data type is a string. Suppose you think name means it should be string. A string होगा string. Number of I equal to sc dot next line. Then you have to write here name of j plus 1 dot compared to name of j less than 0. You have to write this if the value as a string. Less than 0 means a to z it will come alphabetical order. If you want to make it as a z to a, then same but greater than 0 you have to give. So string के लिए क्या देना है हमको? अगर वेरिएबल स्ट्रिंग में है तो इसके लिए हम लोगों को देना है नेम ऑफ j प्लस 1. ये जो है नेम, ये जो वेरिएबल है नेम नंबर, इसकी जगह नेम j प्लस 1 यही रहेगा बट डॉट कंपेयर टू नेम ऑफ j लेस देन 0. देन the name will be in alphabetical order A to Z. The name start with A will be at the first, then B, then like that way. So on. If you want to make it as a Z to A, then name J plus 1 dot compared to greater than 0 you have to give. Okay. So numbers in ascending order. Numbers system dot println. Clear? Display part. Okay. If 2 variable, 3 variable, then you do it name slash t address slash t phone like that way in column wise you want to display it. Okay, I think have you understand these programs? Those who are watching this video, I think you will be benefited. So you must share it and must like it. Okay, next video again I will okay, bye. Okay, up to this much today.